You ready?
Hey guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media at PLAYA DEL CARMEN.
Oh, well. Are you? Darling. Oh, darling. Oh, well. Are you?
All I need is you, baby, baby.
So, okay.
Con la señorita, por favor.
Gracias.
Lo va a atender la señorita.
Hi.
Dos personas. ¿Me da con la tarjeta?
So we wanna eat some food here. A very classy restaurant. Yeah. You can say hello, just yeah. So that is this food right here, tomahawk, and of course this in terms of pesos, it's so crazy in Mexico. Yeah, I appreciate, man. Thank you. And that's Paula over there.
We're gonna eat some beef.
Yeah, they call it tomahawk. It's like a hawk, you know. It's so crazy. Tomahawk. Yeah, living that life. Richard. Man, hope to see you soon, bro. Yeah.
Okay, this is our setup table. It's completely homemade. To the center, you have the house brioche bread, sprinkled with sea salt and fresh rosemary. Comes combined with a honey butter in the center ramekin and 2 kinds of Harris papenales in the same plate. The greens are made with anchovies and olives. The reds are made with sun-dried tomato and Italian garlic. Both of them are glazed with rosemary oil. Our setup sauce, starting by the green, not at all spicy, it's just an avocado creamy. In the middle, with a medium spicy heat, a sauce made by 2 kinds of chiles like morite and cascabel. The last sauce is fisherman sauce prepared with chipotle marinated onion and garlic. If you don't use to eat something spicy, careful with the last one, may be spicy for you.
Wow.
In case that you want to try something spiciest, we also have natural habanero sauce or my favorite, roasted habanero sauce with lime. Enjoy it.
What's your name, man?
My name is Efrain.
And the name of the restaurant is?
And
The name of the restaurant?
the restaurant Harris, Prime Steak and Row Bar.
Thank you.
Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Yeah. Thank you, man.
It's a pleasure.
We're in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, and here it's boom, boom. The way you're seeing here, man. Like, whoa, man. And Paola is enjoying
Wow, we are impressed, so impressed.
it. Yeah. This is. Damn.
I'm here in Harry's restaurant with, oh my god, I'm so happy with my guests. Now,
Yeah. That's how they serve their food, man. Yeah, sometimes life is just like amazing, you know, like how you see it is like boom, you know. So it's just a blessing, you know. That's all I can say. Yeah, it's just a blessing. That's Paola. Say hello.
hello.
Hey, we are having some dinner here, very classy in Playa del Carmen. It's in Mexico. Yeah, I'm having my friend Paola. She was helping me do a live stream today, so we just had to treat ourselves, you know. After spending 1 hour, 30 minutes just doing some live stream. Yeah, so we just want to treat
I
ourselves.
can't believe
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So guys, thank you. See you in my next one.
Thank you guys.
Bye. Yeah, look at that food. See this? That's beef we just cleared in a very classy restaurant. Super classy, like, you know? Yeah. Super classy. have?
Okay, I'm really, really impressed right now. I'm about to cry. Like, so much blessings. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's super, super nice. Like, this is amazing, man. Like,
We are impressed.
yeah, they brought us this to just say thank you. You know, just to say like thank you, thank you. And we're having wines here. It's crazy, man. Like, wow.
Cheers. Thanks God.
Yeah, cheers, cheers. Let's do some cheers. Oh, wow.